Many of you may not give much thought to the clothing or footwear that you put on before you set out in your vehicle, but for this you should be aware that if you're wearing inappropriate clothing or footwear that might amount to a lack of control of the vehicle, which might amount to careless driving, you might be given an on-the-spot fine of £100 and 3 points on your licence. If you decide to challenge this, then you see yourself in court, having your day in court, as the saying goes. This could then rise to an unlimited fine, 3 to 9 penalty points on your driving licence, and a discretionary ban. So it's quite easy to see that if you challenge it and lose, this could be far worse than the on-the-spot fine in the first place, thanks to Rule 97 of the Highway Code, which, although this part of it is a should and not a must, such rules, if broken, may contribute to the police's decision or even a court's decision to find you guilty of careless driving. Rule 97, in respect of clothing and footwear, states that you should ensure that clothing and footwear do not prevent you using the controls in the correct manner. So if, for example, someone were wearing a very long dress or baggy jeans that could get under the pedals and cause some slippage and loss of control, you could be given an on-the-spot fixed penalty fine of £100 and 3 penalty points. However, if you decided to challenge this in court and the court finds you guilty of careless and inconsiderate driving, there's potentially an unlimited fine, a discretionary disqualification, and between 3 and 9 penalty points, which of course makes the situation significantly worse. Equally, with the warm weather almost upon us, if someone were wearing flip-flops, for example, going to the beach, and this gave you less control or it was unsafe to drive in those, this could land you with the same fine as well. The same goes for high heels, slippers, or even chunky boots. If any of these contribute to a significant lack of control of the vehicle and you are seen maybe swerving around or struggling to brake properly or something like that, and the police were to find you wearing such clothing that they deem to be inappropriate, they might give you an on-the-spot fine, which you could then challenge in court. But as I said, if the court upholds this finding, then the fine is likely to be significantly higher. One final thing that you may not have thought of is wearing sunglasses. If they are too dark, that they obscure too much of your view, or the frames of those glasses are too thick and chunky that they obscure some of your view, the police might take the same view with this as well. So ultimately, this is my reminder to you to think a little bit more carefully about what you're wearing both on your body and on your feet, with the warm weather coming up, with those long dresses and flip-flops coming out. So be careful out there, and thanks for watching.